Hi, I am Nipun Sharma and you are watching Nipun Sharma. In this video I am going to talk about Han University, why I liked it and why I consider it as a perfect value for my money. Han University has two campuses, one in Arnhem and one in Nijmegen. The course for which I am going to Han University is Masters in Engineering. This course has 5 different tracks. The 5 different tracks are Automobile System, Control Systems, Embedded Systems, Lean Engineering and Sustainable Engineering, out of which I have chosen Automotive Engineering. The Automotive System is a track within the Master in Engineering Systems. It includes 2 compulsory modules, Systems Modeling and Applied Controls, and 2 elective modules from Advanced Vehicle Dynamics, Big Data and Small Data, Electric Hybrid Fuel and Powertrains, Smart Infrastructures, Sustainable Fuel Engines and Emissions, Smart Vehicles. The final part of the program is a major project. Here we do research on an automobile issue. The Han University also provides housing facility for students who want the university to care for their living expenses. So they book rooms in 2 locations. One is in Helix and one is in Luplein, and these locations have perfect rooms and very nice rooms. I have seen them in the websites and asked from my friends who are there right now that they are in good conditions and good places to live in, and they all love it. The Helix Tower is approximately 10 minutes walking from the campus, so it's close to the campus. But the Luplein one is a little further, but it is in the center of the city. So both locations have their positives and negatives. So I chose the Luplein one because the city is closer, so I would not have to move a lot to buy things. And to go college, as in Netherlands, there are a lot of everyone cycles to the place. That's why I'll rent or buy a cycle and go on the cycle. It will take me 10 minutes. So that's why I chose Luplein 1 for living. And Luplein also had lower cost at 425 euros, whereas in the Helix Tower the minimum rent was 470 euros. So that cost was also different. In the Helix Tower, some rooms are on the first floor. The rooms are 4 sharing with there are 4 rooms with 1 kitchen and 1 bathroom and 1 washroom and 1 shower. And in all of the other floors there are 5 rooms with kitchen inbuilt and different and in each corridor there are 2 washrooms and 2 showers. So that's why the Helix Tower I feel like is good for bachelor students who want to mingle and party and have some fun while they are studying. But the Luplein one is good for masters or PhD students who want to focus on their studies and not do too much partying and keep distractions away. So that's why I chose the Luplein one. It's a good option. Some of my friends are living by themselves. They tell me that they pay 310 euros only per month, which is pretty less than 425 euros. So you can decide on your own. So this is looking like an advertisement for Han University, a really bad advertisement in my opinion, but it's a good college. It offers a lot of things and they offer different courses also, but I am only interested in engineering, so I'm telling you about that.